Hi everyone and welcome. I am Sonal Yadav and in today's video I am going to be sharing this look right here, which I have created using all Mars products. Now Mars Cosmetics is an ultra affordable Indian beauty brand, and recently I have been seeing a lot of makeup reels on Mars cosmetic products and I was like, let's do a full face of Mars. So I approached the brand and this is a review video wherein I'm going to be trying out full face of Mars Cosmetics. It's going to be 100% honest with you guys. And when I went on their site, I could find out there was a Glam kit available. It was for some 2000 rupees. So the kit consists of a primer, a BB cream and a translucent powder for the face. For the eye makeup, you can choose an eyeshadow palette variant, a kajal and a mascara. For the lips, you get two lipsticks in this kit. One is a Crayon lipstick which comes along with a sharpener and the other one is a bullet lipstick. I really like the formulation of the both. And lastly, I also got a highlighter and a setting spray. I think it's quite a great of a deal to, get all of these in just 2000 rupees. So as always, starting off with the primer, I'm using the Pore Cure primer right here. It's a silicone based primer and it has a gel like consistency. So as I started patting the product into my skin, I could see that it is mattifying my skin like most of the silicone based primers do, and it also had a pore filling effect to it. So you can notice my skin certainly is starting to look a little bit more matte on the area where I apply the product. So yeah, I do like the primer. It did performed well. Moving ahead, I'm now using the Mars BB Cream Foundation. I've already tried this one in the past and I really like the coverage of this. So I have two shades. I have one in medium and one is in tan. This is the darkest shade available and in total you get 5 different shade options. This product feels really nice and light on the skin. It has a medium coverage to it. It has a more of a glowy, dewy finish to it, but it's very natural looking and I really like the feel of it on the face. It feels really nice and very light on the face. The coverage of the product is buildable, but it does initially gives you a BB cream like coverage. If you try to layer it up, you can create medium coverage look as well. To be honest with you guys, I usually just don't like BB cream products on my skin personally because most of them are just not available in enough of shades. Although this one really matched with my skin tone well and it looks really nice on the skin, but I should say that 5 shades is not very inclusive, so the brand should definitely come up with more shade options. Then definitely this product can be a major hit. So this is exactly how it's blending and I really like the finish of it. Overall, if I had to rate this product, I would give it a 4 out of 5. Moving ahead, I did not got any concealer, so I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I'm going to be applying it in the center portion of the face. The shade that I've used here is Warm Sand. So just going to quickly blend all of it using my concealer brush. So now I'm going to be picking up my foundation brush and I'm going to be running it towards the edges of the concealer and the foundation in order to diffuse everything. Moving ahead, I'm using this compact powder from Mars Cosmetics which I already owned, and this one is the Wonder Compact Powder. So it comes along with 2 different shades in one compact powder. So first I'm just going to blend in my creases and then I'm just going to dab the powder in underneath my eyes. On the other side of my face, I'm going to be using this loose powder. I did not like the packaging of this product. Well, this is what it looks like from the inside and I did not like the packaging at all, but I'm going to be using it on the other side of my eyes to kind of set and show you how differently both the products perform. I found this product to be very average, to be honest, and the Wonder Compact Powder instead is really good. It's a really nice dupe for the MAC powder foundation and I would highly recommend getting the compact powder instead of the loose powder. I'm just dusting the loose powder all across my face and I did not got any blusher and contour, so I'm just directly moving ahead towards highlighter, which is a brick highlighter, and I'm gonna take some of it and I'm gonna start applying it. You guys can already see that it's very intense in terms of pigmentation, which is why I started off with very little product initially, because I wanted to understand the intensity at first. So my overall review about this product is that it's pigmented. You need to start off with lesser product and it is a little bit shimmery. Now when it comes to highlighters, my preference personally is something which is very diffused. I do not like glittery highlighters. But keeping the affordability in the mind, I would definitely give this one a 3.5 out of 5, and I would still continue using it on the collarbone area for sure. Also, there are many color options available in this product, so you can check the product out. So now that the base is done, moving ahead towards eyes, I'm gonna be using this Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette. So this specific variant has loads and loads of nudes and reds in the palette. So I'm picking up this shade right here and I'm gonna be applying it in my crease area. It does have quite a lot of kickback, but the pigmentation is quite nice. So right now I'm just patting the color right here in the crease, and then I'm gonna slowly use round circular blending motion to blend the product. So slowly I'm going to build the color in my eyes. Just take a little time and blend it nicely in the crease. So now I'm gonna be picking up this shade of red and I'm gonna apply it in the corners of the eyes just to create some depth in the outer corners of my eyes. And first I'm patting the color and then slowly with the round motions I'm gonna blend it. As you guys can see that now the color is diffused, I'm gonna take up this shade right here to add a little bit more depth into the eyes. So I'm gonna apply the brown shade and this is going to give you that shaded effect. Taking the shimmer shade, I'm gonna apply it right here in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten up a little bit, and this will once again open up the eyes. The pigmentation of the shimmer shade is quite decent, but the feel of it was not that buttery, which is why I initially applied it with a finger and then blended out with the brush. Now I'm using the Mars Wont Smudge Wont Budge kajal. This kajal is really good. It is really a product which will not smudge and it does performs really well. The pigmentation is really nice and it glides amazingly. I would highly recommend this product because I've tried it in the past as well. So for today's look, I'm just lining the eyes with the help of the kajal, and with the smudger brush I'm just going to smudge it out into a smoky eyeliner. So once this is smudged nicely, I'm gonna go ahead and create a little bit of a wing effect. Now what I'm gonna do is connect my waterline to the winged liner, and I'm doing it very roughly because again we are gonna smudge it all out. So as you guys can see, with this kajal pencil you can create numerous amount of looks. You can do smoky eyes, smudged eyeliner, you know, smoky winged liner, and I really like the pigmentation and the blendability of the product. Some eyeliners and kajals, they just set right after you apply it on your eyes, but this one allows you a little bit of time to create those smudgy eyeliner looks. So yeah, this is something which I would highly recommend. So once again, to bring back the intensity, I am going to tightline my eyes a little bit just to make it look more black. Now I'm using the Mars Pore eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the black shade out of this palette just to intensify the black color and smudge it out a little bit more. So now picking up this brown shade right here, I'm gonna be applying it and smudging my waterline just to add that nice diffused look. Now using a concealer, I'm gonna carve out my liner just to make it look nice and perfect in terms of shape. It again adds so much more effect to your overall eye makeup. I would highly recommend trying this thing out. Now I'm using the Mars Fabulash mascara. I absolutely love this product. I use it on everyday basis. It's just a 200 rupees product and it does so much to your lashes. The only thing that I don't like about this product is the wand. It's very huge and you always have excess amount of product on the wand, so you need to remove the excess before you go ahead and apply. But the mascara has a great effect overall, so I really like it. This is what my eyes looks like after applying eyelashes, and that's how my eye makeup is completed. Moving ahead, Mars is quite popular for their lipsticks. I'm going to be swatching some of their Crayon lipstick. It comes along with this sharpener. The first shade is one of my favorite. This is in the shade I Am Powerful. It's a beautiful shade of plum. I absolutely love the formulation of these. I've separately reviewed these on my channel and I really like the color options that are available. These Crayon lipsticks are having a longevity power of up to 4 to 5 hours and they give you a complete matte look. This is a transfer proof lipstick and it gives you a comfortable affordable matte finish. As you guys can see, it is really nicely pigmented and the color options is again something which I really love. So if you are looking for an everyday wear lipstick, definitely check these out. So in the Glam kit, you get one crayon lipstick and one bullet lipstick. So this one is the Mars Matinee lipstick and it's a bullet lipstick. It is in the shade Chestnut Courage 06. It reminds me of Color Bar Sinful Matte. The finish is quite similar, but definitely those are more buttery in terms of application. So for today's look, I'm going to be applying the crayon lipstick in the shade Girl Power. It's a beautiful shade of brown. I really like this shade of brown. It's a warm brown shade and you can wear it for an everyday basis as well. Now that the makeup is done, it's time to set the face, and for that I'm going to be using the Seal the Deal Mars setting spray. So I'm just going to shake the bottle a little bit, and it has a really nice spray bottle which gives you a really nice diffuse spritz of the product, and it made my skin look really nice and glowy. So because of the setting spray, definitely the powder and the foundation blended as one. And yeah guys, with that we complete today's look. If I had to recommend my top 5 favorites, it would be the primer, the BB cream, the Wonder Compact powder, the Fabulash mascara and the crayon lipstick. My overall experience was quite good with the products, and I really like the base product because a lot of time in the affordable category, it's a struggle to find good base product, and I really like how these performed. So yeah guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please make sure to subscribe and share it among your friends and family. Now I'll be meeting you in my next one. Until then, take care.